Hello students, today I am going to start question number 5 of exercise 6.1. Now question number 5 says following is the list of temperature of 5 places in India on a particular day of the year. Here we have some places in India and temperature is given. So what you have to do in the first part we have write the temperature of these places in the form of integer in the blank column. Here blank column is given. So we will have to write this temperature in the form of integer. Now see here we have Siachen and the temperature of Siachen is 10 degrees Celsius below 0 degrees Celsius. Now we know that left side of 0 is all negative and right side of 0 is all positive. Above represents plus, below represents minus. So here 10 degrees Celsius below 0. That means if the number line is like this, then suppose 0 lies here. So below 0 is all negative and above 0 is all positive. Okay. So 10 degrees Celsius below 0 degrees Celsius is minus 10 degrees Celsius. Okay. Now Shimla's temperature is 2 degrees Celsius below 0 degrees Celsius. So below is there. So if below is given, that means we will have to represent the integer in negative form, negative integer. So here it will be minus 2 degrees Celsius. Now Ahmedabad's temperature is 30 degrees Celsius above 0 degrees Celsius. So above means we will represent this as positive integer. So 30 degrees Celsius above 0 degrees Celsius is plus 30 degrees Celsius. Okay. Next, Delhi's temperature is 20 degrees Celsius above 0 degrees Celsius. So above means plus. So here 20 degrees Celsius will be plus 20 degrees Celsius. Okay. This will be positive integer. Now Srinagar's temperature is 5 degrees Celsius below 0 degrees Celsius. So below is given. So it will be minus 5 degrees Celsius. Okay. Now in the P part we have following is the number line represent the temperature in degrees Celsius. Here number line is given and this is given in degrees Celsius because we have got the temperature in degrees Celsius. Okay. Now we will have to plot the name of the city against its temperature. Like see Siachen is minus 10 degrees Celsius. Now where is 0 degree? Where is minus 10 degrees Celsius? As we know that left side of 0 is all negative integer. So this side is all negative integer. And right side of 0 is all positive integer. So minus 10 is here. Right? So this is which place? Minus 10 degrees Celsius is Siachen's temperature. So we will have to plot the name against minus 10 degrees Celsius. Okay? So we will write Siachen. Next we have Shimla's temperature is 2 degrees Celsius below 0. That means minus 2. Again on the left side of 0. So here is all negative. So this is minus 1. This is minus 2. So this is Shimla's temperature. So we'll write Shimla. Next we have Ahmedabad 30 degrees Celsius and that is plus 20 plus 30 is given. That means plus 30 means we will check the right side of 0. So here is 30. So this is Ahmedabad. Now next we have Delhi which is 20 degrees Celsius above 0 plus 20. So plus 20 is here. So this is Delhi. And last we have Srinagar which is minus 5 degrees Celsius. So again we will have to see the left side of 0. So here is minus 5. So this is Srinagar. So this is how we plot the name of the place in India against the temperature on the number line. Okay, now coming to C part. Now in the C part we have which is the coolest place. So if you check this temperature when you are comparing with positive integer with the negative integer, obviously positive is always greater than the negative numbers. Positive integer is always greater than the negative number. Now here we have three negative integers, which is -10, -2 and -5. So -10, -2 and -5. Among this, which is the smallest one? Which is the smallest here? See here, in case of negative number, the one which seems greater, actually that is the smallest one. So here among this, -10 is the smallest negative number. So which is the coolest place here? So -10 degrees Celsius is Siachen's temperature. So we'll write which is the coolest place. So it's Siachen. Okay. Now coming to last part. Now in the D part we have write the names of the places where temperature are above 10 degrees Celsius. Above 10 degrees Celsius means greater than 10 degree. Okay. Now if you see the number line, greater than 10, which places are there? See, here is 10, right, on the number line. Now we will see the right side of 10 degrees Celsius, because when you are going above, then that means if it is above than 10 degrees Celsius, then we will see the right side of 10, because when you move towards right, numbers are getting increased. Now if you see the right side of 10, we have 20, which is Delhi's temperature, and 30, which is Ahmedabad's temperature, which lies right of 10. So write the names of the places where temperature are above 10 degrees Celsius. So it's Ahmedabad and Delhi. Okay. So we'll write the names of places where temperature are above 10 degrees Celsius. So it's Delhi and Ahmedabad. Okay. So this was the last part of question number 5. Now coming to next question. Now question number 6 says, in each of the following pairs, which number is to the right of the other on the number line? Now if you see the number line, here is 0, and right side of 0 is all positive number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. And left hand side of 0 is all negative. So -1, -2, -3, -4 and so on. So suppose if you want to come from 5 to 4, so when you are coming from 5 to 4, number is getting smaller. Again from 4 to 3, it's getting smaller. Similarly, when you come towards left, number is getting decreased, and when you are moving towards right, number is getting bigger. Like -3 is greater than -4, -2 is greater than -3. Or if you see the positive number 1 to 2, then 2 to 3, number is getting increased, right? So what we have observed from the number line, the number which is greater lie right of the other number on the number line. Like among these two and 9, which number is greater? 9 is greater. So 9 will lie right of 2 to the number line. Okay. So we'll write as 9 is greater than 2. So 9 is on the right of 2. Okay. Now in the second part we have -3 and -9. Now here both the numbers are negative integers, right? Now in case of negative integers, the number which seems greater, it's actually the smaller. Like here, -3 and -9, -9 seems greater, but actually -9 is the smallest. Okay, so since it is smallest and -3 is the largest, so -3 is greater than -9. So that means -3 is, since -3 is greater than -9, so -3 is on the right of -9. Now if you see the number line, suppose here is 0, so left side of 0 is all negative. So -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, -8, -9. So where is -3 on the number line? Here, and -9 is here. So what we have observed, that -3 is right of -9. So that means the number which is greater lie right of that number. Okay. Now in the C part we have 0 and -1. Now let us draw the number line. See, left hand side of 0 is all negative numbers, right? Here is -1, -2, -3 and so on. So what we have observed, that 0 is right of any negative numbers, as 0 is greater than any negative integer. So 0 is on the right of -1. Okay. Now in the D part we have -11 and 10. So here we can see that one positive number and one negative integer, right? So we know that any positive integer is greater than the negative integer. So since 10 is greater than -11, so 10 is on the right of -11. Okay. Now in the E part we have -6 and +6. Okay, so we know that any positive number is greater than negative integer. So 6 is greater than -6, and if any number is greater than any other number, then that number, the greater number, will lie to the right of that number on the number line. So we'll write 6 is on the right of -6. And in the last part we have 1 and -100. Again, positive number is greater than negative numbers. Any positive integer is greater than any negative integer, and if it is greater, then it will lie to the right of that number on the number line. So we'll write 1 is on the right of -100. Okay. So this was all about question number 6. Thank you, students.